This is not just a rifle. This is the M4 Carbine. Power in your hands, survival in every moment. In the fiercest battles, there's only one thing you can absolutely rely on: the M4 Carbine. Designed to face any challenge, it never lets you down. With a perfect blend of speed, power, and accuracy, the M4 Carbine is the weapon every warrior dreams of holding. So what makes the M4 Carbine so special? Let's find out right now. 2. This is the M4 Carbine. Meaning of the M4 Carbine name. The M in M4 stands for model, a standard naming convention for military weapons in the United States. The number 4 signifies its position in the sequence of rifles used by the military. The M4 is a shortened and improved version of the M16 series, particularly the M16A2. Carbine refers to a type of rifle with a shorter barrel length compared to a standard rifle. This makes a carbine more compact, lighter, and easier to carry, especially for missions that require high mobility. The M4 Carbine was developed and designed by Colt's Manufacturing Company in the late 1980s and early 1990s. Colt is well known for producing a wide range of firearms, and they based the M4 Carbine design on the M16. The M4 Carbine was designed for military forces, particularly the U.S. military. It is widely used in missions that require flexibility, speed, and close to medium-range engagement. Due to its compact size, it is suitable for use in confined spaces such as urban environments, inside vehicles, or in dense forests. The M4 Carbine is favored by special forces due to its mobility, ability to fire in both automatic and semi-automatic modes, and capacity to be equipped with various accessories like optics, flashlights, and grenade launchers. Besides the military, the M4 Carbine is also used by police and security forces in special situations that demand a weapon with power, accuracy, and maneuverability. Barrel length 370 millimeters, 14.5 inches. Adjustable stock enables length adjustment to suit individual users in combat situations. Operation: gas-operated, air-cooled, rotating bolt. M4 Carbine uses 5.56 45mm NATO ammunition similar to M16A2. M4 has an effective range of 1,182 feet, 316 feet. Weight, approximately 3.4 kilograms, 7.75 pounds, with a full 30-round magazine. Magazine capacity, 30 rounds, standard Stanag magazine. Can use magazines with different capacities such as 20, 40, or 100 rounds, Magpul PMAG. M4 include the safety and fire mode. Firing modes: semi-automatic, single shot, and automatic 3-round burst. Picatinny rail allows the attachment of accessories such as optics, flashlights, grenade launchers, and other accessories. The M4 Carbine's grip can be easily replaced or customized, including grips with internal storage compartments for batteries or small accessories. The shooter inserts a loaded magazine into the magazine well, located in the lower receiver of the M4 Carbine. The magazine must be seated firmly to ensure that it locks in place. When inserted correctly, the magazine catch engages, holding the magazine securely. tow chamber around, the shooter pulls back the charging handle, which is located on the upper receiver. This action draws the bolt carrier group rearward, compressing the buffer spring located in the buffer tube. As the bolt carrier group moves back, the bolt engages the rear end of a cartridge in the magazine. During this forward motion, the bolt strips a round from the magazine and pushes it into the chamber of the barrel. The bolt rotation and locking mechanism is crucial for safe and reliable operation. The bolt has locking lugs that engage corresponding lugs in the barrel extension, ensuring that the bolt is fully locked before firing. If the bolt is not fully locked, the rifle's firing mechanism prevents the firing pin from striking the primer, thus avoiding accidental discharge. The forward assist on the M4 Carbine is a critical feature designed to ensure the bolt is fully closed and locked into the chamber, especially in situations where the bolt might not fully engage automatically. The shooter can then move the selector lever to the desired firing mode, safe, semi-automatic, or burst, and pull the trigger to fire the weapon. The extraction and ejection process of the M4 Carbine is crucial for its semi-automatic and automatic operation, ensuring that spent cartridges are efficiently removed from the chamber to allow for the loading of a new round. The hammer reset and cartridge feed are crucial parts of the M4 Carbine's firing cycle, ensuring the weapon is ready to fire the next round after each shot. The trigger reset on the M4 Carbine is the point at which the trigger is released, just enough to re-engage the sear and ready the hammer for the next shot. The M4 Carbine is capable of firing in both semi-automatic and fully automatic modes. In some variants, burst fire instead of fully automatic. When the trigger is pulled in the fully automatic mode, the hammer is released and strikes the firing pin, initiating the firing of the first round. The burst fire mode on the M4 Carbine is designed to allow the shooter to fire a predetermined number of rounds, usually 3, with a single pull of the trigger. When the shooter pulls the trigger in burst mode, the weapon fires 3 rounds in rapid succession. The burst mechanism ensures that only 3 rounds are fired, regardless of how long the trigger is held down. The bolt catch is a mechanical lever located on the left side of the lower receiver of the M4 Carbine. It serves to hold the bolt, the part that houses the firing pin and is responsible for chambering rounds, in the open position after the last round in the magazine has been fired. The rear sight is usually an adjustable aperture sight mounted on the upper receiver. It may feature two apertures, a smaller one for precision shooting and a larger one for quick targeting. The M4 Carbine has a front sight post that is adjustable for elevation. The post is a post and wing design, allowing for easy alignment with the rear sight. Picatinny rail allows the attachment of accessories such as optics, flashlights, grenade launchers, and other accessories. Adjustable stock enables length adjustment to suit individual users in combat situations. The ejection port cover is spring-loaded and typically opens automatically when the bolt is cycled, pulled back during the operation of the firearm. This allows for seamless operation without the need for the shooter to manually open the cover. Advantages of M4 Carbine. 1. Versatility. The compact design and lightweight of the M4 make it easy to use in confined combat environments, such as urban settings or close quarters battles. 2. Adjustability. The adjustable stock allows for length customization, and the Picatinny rail system enables the attachment of various accessories like scopes and flashlights, enhancing the weapon's adaptability. 3. Firing efficiency. The M4 has a high rate of fire and good accuracy at mid-range distances, making it suitable for tactical missions requiring quick response. 4. High reliability. The M4 is designed to perform well in various environmental conditions, from hot deserts to humid areas. Disadvantages of M4 Carbine. 1. Limited range. Compared to the M16, the M4 has a shorter effective range due to its shorter barrel, which affects penetration power and effectiveness at longer distances. 2. Prone to jamming. In very dusty or sandy environments, the M4 is more prone to jamming due to its direct gas impingement system, requiring frequent maintenance. 3. Lower stopping power. The 5.56mm round may not cause significant damage at close range, sometimes passing through targets without inflicting serious injury. 4. High cost. The M4 is more expensive to produce and maintain compared to many other assault rifles, which can be an issue for forces with limited budgets. Heckler & Koch 416 is an upgraded version of the original M4 Carbine, featuring the following key improvements. 1. Short-stroke piston system. Replaces the M4's direct gas system with a short-stroke piston, reducing carbon buildup and increasing reliability. 2. High reliability. The H&K 416 performs better in harsh conditions like dust, mud, and high temperatures. 3. Improved barrel. Thicker barrel, better heat resistance, and maintains accuracy during sustained fire. What impressed you the most about the M4 Carbine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We hope this video provided you with interesting and valuable information. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.